Jig and fixture design is critical in almost every part that's machined or manufactured. And it's difficult because most of the time people are sent 3D models to work with and they need to prep them and get them ready to make their jigs and fixtures. But with SpaceClaim, changes can easily be made to downstream data, and this can come from IGES files, STEP, or really files from any of the major CAD systems that are out there. You see, the fact is, most geometry needs to be tweaked, changed in some way before a fixture can be made. Pockets might have to be filled in, faces are modified, and stock needs to be added in certain areas. In SpaceClaim, when you're done editing the model, you can of course lock the model down, so no further changes are accidentally made to the design. SpaceClaim is a tool that can do two main things in this case. First, it's a tool that can modify any incoming geometry, treating it as if you made it from scratch in SpaceClaim. The second thing it does great is it makes models from scratch, so you can make your own geometry, maybe to make soft jaws or models to hold your parts as you're doing your fixture and jig creation. So we've made two simple blocks, and it's as simple as subtracting the workpiece from them to get the inverse. Now we have the soft jaws just to hold the model, and the best part about this is that you're not tied to the model in any way. If you need to add bolt holes, if you need to change faces, even if you want to stretch these out and cut them away so it's easier to manufacture, you can do so. Or why not offset all of the faces so you can machine at the nominal tolerance? Now with SpaceClaim, it's essentially one tool pull that does so many of your operations. It offsets, it creates geometry, so you can really get in, get out, and focus on getting your job done. The thing people realize after using SpaceClaim is that they're not paid to mess with geometry and make changes to it. They're paid to get their job done. And this is what SpaceClaim wants more than anything else. We want you to be able to modify your models, make changes quickly without having to worry about where it originated. And in fact, if you want to import this part with other models, such as other STEP files or files from SolidWorks or any other CAD system, you can do just that. And this helps companies take full advantage of things like clash detection in their CAM tools. So let SpaceClaim work with you and show you how we've been helping companies all over the world modify their parts and designs and create jigs and fixtures extremely quickly.